My name is Khaled Attia, and I practice at our new Cypress clinic. I'm a primary care provider, and I focus on family and community medicine. One of the reasons why I went into family medicine was because I really just enjoyed doing all aspects of primary care. So in my career so far, I've done everything from obstetrics to family medicine to pediatrics to emergency medicine. Taking care of patients at that primary care level, being able to help them advocate for themselves, take care of their health. I really prefer to work on preventative health, weight loss management, depression, psychiatric issues. Over the last several years, I found myself doing more emergency medicine. And so I've been dealing with more of the acute side, primary care. But at the same time, even in the emergency setting, we're still coming up with game plans, whether it's follow-ups, whether it's referrals, whether it's, how they can manage their chronic conditions. So that way these acute things don't happen. Now this is just going to be my opportunity to get on the other side of things and be that person who sees them from the ER. And when I was working in the emergency room, I found myself a lot of times, like after I took care of the acute issues, I would find myself somehow diving into their chronic conditions and working with them on making a game plan, to the extent where I would have patients that would ask to, see me as their primary care provider. And at the time, I didn't have that option available. I didn't have that avenue open. But now being able to start a clinic and to work with CLS, it's going to give me that opportunity to actually be there for patients on both sides. I have grown up in this community. CLS has been something that I have known since I was in high school. This has been, the community that I grew up in. And I always dreamed that when I finished my training, I would always come back to CLS. It's a blessing to be able to grow up in a community, leave the community, get my training, and to be able to come back and do what I've always dreamed of doing. Come visit me in our new CLS Health Primary Care Clinic in Towne Lake, Cypress, Texas.